¿Qué pasó? Welcome back to the channel. So we gotta get it again. Working on the 350 right there. Finally got a couple days off, so I need to get on this and on the Impala. So today I am going to install the new pistons. Alright, so I just pressed these in not too long ago, a couple hours ago. Made a video, go check it out. So yeah, these are flat top valve reliefs, standards, and I'm gonna show you how to install the piston rings, which are right here. Alright. And what else? And then I'm gonna show you how to install them in the block. Alright, so let me set up, take this off, and get to it, see how far we can get. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to install the pistons. This is how I put them. This is how I set them up, and I already measured everything on the block, made sure everything was legit, everything is within spec. So put you on the tripod and let's do it. Here we go. So put this one on first. Alright. Then these. Can you see? What am I doing? So that's the oil ones, ready to go. Now we got number 2. And this one has a little dot right there, facing up. So make sure you get the tip in first. And then kinda like, I don't know, give it the wrist type of thing. Alright, you want to be careful, don't want to scratch the piston. And they do sell a tool for this, but I wasn't a big fan of it because I don't know, it expanded it. I don't know, felt like it was going to break. Guess I'm not used to it. And this top one has no groove or no indication if it goes up and down. Neither does you can see right there, same this side. So just put it on, get the tip in. You kind of like want to push this way, get that side on, pull out a little bit. Okay, ready to go. Easy. Put it away. Do another one. This one. Alright. This one. And once you get used to doing it, it goes kind of quick. Alright. Number 2. Look for the dot right there. Don't want to scratch it. ¿Qué pasó, chiquillos? Oh, you found my hat? This one? So what I do is put the thumb, get the tip in, kind of like, I don't know if it's weird to explain, but you'll get the hang of it. See?
Papa.
Okay. ¿Qué pasó, baby?
Okay, pull.
¿Eh?
Okay, pull.
¿Quieres la pull?
Yeah.
Ok, a ratito te la pongo, ¿ok?
No, afuera no color.
¿Qué?
Afuera no color.
¿Qué es eso?
Afuera pull my wrist, my shirt.
Your shirt?
Yeah.
Okay, mija. Look for the dot right there. See, I mean, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. It goes quick. I've broken a couple when I first started doing this. Wasn't that fun. But, you know, you learn by breaking things pretty much. Know the way to do it. So. Look for the dot. And no, this one's being stubborn. Uh-oh, screwdriver. See, this one went in the top ring, got locked in right there, so just give it a little. Uh-oh. Ooh, not liking this. Come on, guy. Oh, there we go. Things happen sometimes. Put it in. You see? Okay. All four done. Quick. Alright, and for those that want to order these, I don't know, I think that's the part number. Maybe. I don't know. Anyways, that's done. Now it's time to put them in. And not like using this one, I've had it for a while. I lost the L that goes right here, but I just use a ratchet. Works the same. Expand it. Use it. I probably like the ratchet better than the L, so you know. And to turn the motor over, I use this right here. That's the part number. Got it off of Summit too. And none of these videos are sponsored. I buy everything full price. No discounts, no nothing. So, you know. Whatever. You gotta start somehow. And for these pistons, they say you want to offset the gaps. Alright, so what I do is put one gap on this side, grab it, go all the way around to the other side, put this one on this side, so it's one on this side, one on this side, and then this one right there. Alright, you see it? Gap. Turn the piston, and this one, put it right here. See, so no gap, gap, no gap, gap. And do that to all your pistons. Alright, so I'm gonna do all that and come back with you guys. Alright, so Let me show you what I'm doing. ¿Qué pasó, baby? ¿Está dentro, no?
I don't find it.
You don't find them?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, these are the bearings that I'm using right here. Right there. And my crank is 20 under on the mains and the rods. So I'm gonna show you how to put them on real quick. And these have these don't matter what goes up or down, right? So just make sure you clean everything. I already cleaned it, but you know, just to make sure. So put that on right there, tang tang, slide up, make sure it's even. And you do not want to mix this up, alright? Okay, baby, clean that up. Mira, ahí está Lorenzo. Put it on. ¿Qué pasó, mijo? Press down, make sure it's even. Alright, just keep going.
Happy.
¿Qué pasó, mijo?
Yeah.
¿Dónde agarraste ese money?
No, the phone was to the battery.
¿Dónde agarraste ese money?
In the room.
My room. ¿Agarraste de mi wallet, cabrón?
No,
No? Okay.
there's some new money.
¿Es tu money?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the phone was to the battery.
¿Battery? ¿Para qué quieres battery?
Found it.
Ahorita, ok. Ya termino de armar este motor y vamos a agarrar lo que tú quieras.
The battery.
Yes, we can go get battery.
For my boat.
Go. That's how you install those, alright?
Papa, yeah, found it.
And where are we at? Alright, so quick and easy. Boom, 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 boom. See that? Quick and easy. Take your time, don't scratch them up, don't drop them. And already installed a couple. Alright, make sure dot facing forward, dot facing forward, dot facing forward. Alrighty, look at that. It's looking so nice.
No.
And let me get this. So this tool's cool because it allows you to turn it over. So it has a little keyway. Just put it on. Line it up with that keyway. Yeah. And ratchet. And you're gonna have a little bit of resistance because I mean everything's brand new. So, but you do not want to turn it too much, you know, because you know. Man, it looks so nice. Anyways, I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod and show you how we install the pistons and the pistons on this block. So I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so here we go. Get whichever one you want. I'm gonna start with number 6. Alright, so we already made sure that the rings are offset from each other. Okay. Get a little bit of oil. A little bit of that real quick. You don't want to go in dry. There we go. Alright. Where am I at? Can you guys see me? Maybe? Okay. So, what I do is put it in, hold it with my thumb right there. It's like that. And then alright. Okay. And we said this one was number 6. So now turn you guys around. So Chevy is odds, even. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2, 4, 6. This one's gonna go right here. And before you put it in, you want to make sure that the journal is far. Alright? So make sure the journal's on the opposite side. So when you hit it, you don't smack the journal. Alright. Make sure the dot goes forward. Oh. Also make sure you put lube on it. So many things happening at once. Just alright. Lube. Alright. There. Now I need something to hit it with. Where's my hammer? There it is. Baby! ¿Qué haces? Right there. So that's how I do it. Alright. Wooden hammer. You don't want to break nothing. Right? So I go in a little bit. Right? Then hit this down. Tighten it up a little more. Okay, I don't want to go more, so that's it. Hit it down a little bit. There you go, we got one click out of it. So, again, make sure the dot is facing forward. And this is the hectic part. You want to hit it hard enough to where you're pushing it down at a good speed, but you don't want to hit it slow enough to where the ring won't go in. So just, there it is. Quick and easy. Once you've done it a couple times, you get the hang of it. If you don't want to go too slow to where it's almost in and the ring pops out and you smack the ring right there. Whatever. Alright. Now get your hammer again. You see? Yes, no, maybe. Angle. Alright, good enough. So you get your rod. Make sure you hold it while you smack it up. Be careful, you don't want to hit your journal. Easy. Once you get it close, there you go, right there. Get your other piece, put lube. Alright. And these go tang to tang. What I mean by that is right there. Match that up to the other one on the rod. So tang tang. There you go. Put those on, right? Get your torque wrench. Set it to 45 foot-pounds. And start torquing. And you want to make it go down kind of even. So that one snugged a little bit. snug. Here we go. $45. $45. Double check it. Double check it. Good. And double check you're at 45. Good to go. Flip the motor. Engine. Not bad. Not bad. There's the fun part. Oh, it's not too heavy. Alright. Check. Make sure it turns over smooth. Right there. What should we put on? 6, right? 2, 4. Yeah. So just make sure it turns over. And like I said, you can have a little bit of resistance. Not a lot, but just a little bit because everything's brand new. New bearings, new rings, new mains. So I mean, you can have a little bit of resistance. Not too much, but just enough. Alright, I'm gonna do one more for you guys and then I'll speed this thing up. So now we're gonna do number 5. So 5 is, you know what, let's do number 8, which is right here. So like I said, put the journal at the bottom. So can you guys see? Make sure the journal's at the bottom, which is right there. Clean it up. Lube it up. Get your rod. Turn you guys to me. Get the rod right here. Make sure the rings are offset. Lube it up. You see what I'm doing? Give it a little love tap. Alright. Get the ring compressor. Expand it. Hold it with your thumb. There you go. Now we go to number 8. Make sure the dot pointing forward. Oh, see? Almost messed up. Put lube. Now, dot pointing forward. See it right there. Make sure the tool's aligned. Go down a little bit. Get one more out of it. Here we go. Give it the berries. See, quick and easy. Alright. It's in there. Turn it. Neighbors is crazy. grab it. Turn it a little bit. Right there. Nice and easy. Turn it. Done good. That's it. Bottomed out. Alright. Remember, tang to tang. Tang is on this side, tang is on this side. Really? Come on, don't make me look bad on camera. Do one side, do the other. Double check it. Double check it. And check this one too. Alright. Turn the motor, engine. It's starting to get a little heavy now. Alright. Where we at? Right there. Make sure it turns over. Coat. Now we're gonna probably do 2, 4 right there. Make sure it's down. Drill those down. And for this one, I'm gonna just. Alright. And for this one, I'm gonna just fast forward. Go quick, get it ready to go. Don't want to make the videos too long. Just want to show a little bit of what I'm doing, how it's done, how I do it my way. And yeah, so let's forward this thing up. Just quicken it up for you guys. there it is. All the pistons are in. Turns nicely. Cool. So yeah, there it is, guys. No. Getting hot out here. Whew. Getting hot seas. So yeah, there it is. That's how you install pistons, piston rings on the 350 small block. Make sure, always double check. Make sure your dots are facing forward, because you never know. Sometimes you get too excited and you know, things happen. Forward, forward, forward. There it is. So next thing I'm gonna do is, I'm done with this video. I'm done. It's gonna be long enough. Probably a little too long. So next time I'm gonna take this apart, because I'm gonna use the heads, because the guy got them rebuilt. Where's it at? There's a little heat tag somewhere. So next video I'm gonna take this apart so I can use the heads, get them resurfaced, and yeah, I'll show you guys how to do that too. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, like, share, subscribe, come back for the series. Thanks, guys.